Kwaza Mkhonto wesizwe kwasa. Viva President Jacob Zuma, viva. Viva President Jacob Zuma, viva. Viva President Ibrahim Traore, viva. Phatha Mkhonto wesizwe phatha. No comrades, ithi ngakhulume okuningi. Bengithi ngicheke ukuthi kuyavela ngalapho yini ukuthi njengoba sikhuluma uPresident Jacob Zuma unoPresident Ibrahim Traore owase Burkina Faso, bengithi kuyavela yini kulabo laba bebathi uIbrahim Traore akafuna ukuhlangana nobaba uJacob Zuma. Bengithi ngicheke ukuthi kuyavela yini ukuthi as we speak uPresident Jacob Zuma uno Ibrahim Traore. Bazothi AI, bazothi hayi bafethu kuyavela yini. And that's why I keep on saying lama TikToker lawa, I can tell you these things bazenza nje for ama content. They just do all these things to gain ama likes nje, and that's why they are not patient enough to wait or to verify. But bengithi ngicheke kuyavela yini ukuthi uPresident Jacob Zuma masikhuluma manje uno Ibrahim Traore. And let me tell you, some of those of you benithi hey akafuna ukuhlangana naye, even this other lady of another organization, I know she's going to post uzokhuluma. Kuyavela yini amandla